Hey everyone, I am Vaibhav and welcome to my core Java interview questions playlist. Today is day 3. So, whether you are preparing for an interview or just brushing up your Java skills, the playlist is designed to help you master the key concept core Java. I will be covering common interview questions, explaining important topics, and giving you two tips how to answer them effectively. So, let's start. Today's question is, what is package? Package is a folder which store related group of classes, interfaces and subpackages. So the meaning of package is folder, sir, which is stored. So what package will store? Group of classes, interfaces or subpackages. Okay, understand? Then the package statement should be the first statement in Java program. Means every time where you are write any class or any program, that time package statement is first statement of your class, sir. Let's see the example how we write the package. Okay, this is my Java class, sir. So before class we are importing some packages, okay, and before that if you are writing some common classes, then before that we are importing write a package package name, suppose p1 and semicolon. So this is the syntax of package. Okay, you know thing. So are you understand what is the meaning of package? Package is a folder which is store related group of classes, interfaces and sub packages. And this is the first statement where when you write any Java program. Okay, after that how to import a package. So we people are seen how to import the packages. Okay, so I will explain you how to import. Suppose I was importing some default packages like import java dot util dot star, or if we have to getting input from user, then we use the scanner class. So that time we are writing a import statement. Okay, so this is my package name, guys, java dot util dot star. And let understand another question is there, sir. What is the default package in Java? Java.lang. This is the default package in Java. So answer is java.lang package. It's called as default package in Java. Second one, Java lang package classes can be used directly in Java applications. Means whatever java.lang package uh, consider, means inside a Java package those classes are inside the java.lang packages that will be directly in Java we can directly use in Java application. Okay, so next question is, what is import statement? Import statement is used to connect with package to access the member of that package. We already seen now in this file. Okay, see here, this is the java.util star is the package name, and with the help of import keyword we just access that package. Okay, understand? So this is our third question. What is import statement? Import statement is used to connect with package to access the member of that package. Okay, we can import single class or use an asterisk. Now in this example we use asterisk keyword. Okay, asterisk symbol, sorry. And if we write something like that, if I want to import java dot util dot scanner class. Okay, so we can use directly asterisk symbol or scanner. Okay, so with the help of asterisk keyword we import all the member, and with the help of directly single class or anything, then we will access only that class. Okay, do we always need main method to run Java program? Yes. But here my another question, sir, I will write after this question. Okay, question number 6. Without method, main method, or without calling, can we access the blocks or anything? Yes, sir, I will access. Okay, but means without main method we can't run our program, but we will compile, but getting output is impossible, sir. Okay, so that's why so we always main method to run Java program. I will say this sixth question my after this fifth question. Okay, so my fifth question is, what are the types of Java blocks? There are two types: static blocks and instance block. A block without identity execute at the time of class loading by JVM. So the meaning is what, sir? Static block, a block without identity execute at the time of class loading by JVM. I will told you how it's work. This is my class, sir. This is my class static block. Okay, static block. Okay, and inside that I just create one static block without identity. Okay, static, and simply without identity I will write this block, sir. Inside it I just write system dot out dot print ln. Okay, and just write here hello static. Okay, static, no need to call this static block or nothing, sir. Just see this is, I will run this example. Okay, static block. Okay, static block dot Java extension is already there, sir. So inside this I will run my, with the help of CMD I will run my program, sir. Java C. What is the Java C, sir? Here Java C is a compiler. Okay, and this is my file name dot Java. Everyone knows why I getting here file name dot Java. Can I write here class name? No, sir. If your class name and file name is will same, then you can write. But if your file name is another and your class name is different, so you should write here the file name only. Okay, fine. This will be compiled Java, then my class name, my file name and class name same, so that's why it will run. And see here output, this is my static block output. Okay, sir, and after that I have a hello world. Means no need to call them, it will be run automatically because of static blocks are only. This is only block. If you are writing static method, then you need to call them. Okay, but without any identity, means identity means what, sir? This is my main method, na. So if I doesn't tell them any identity, means suppose I write here static void add. Okay, suppose I write here add. Okay, so and this is my method, sir. If I write like this with the help of this add identity, it will be not execute, sir. Let's see Java C, and this is my Java code. See here output will not seen because we didn't call that method. Okay, so let's understand the thing, difference between static block and static method. Okay, this is my only the static block, sir, so that's why it's getting run, getting output us. Okay, so next question is there, my question, sir. What is instance block? A block is an anonymous block without name that execute automatically every time object has created. Okay, like where we write a static block, na, like this. If we create any instance block without name that execute automatically every time object has created. Okay, so this question is completed, sir, because when we write this static block example, that is my question, that's why I write here, but I have completed. Okay, so thank you guys. Today we cover 5 question. Tomorrow we will see, tomorrow onward we will see the actual oops question, means what is oops, what is the principle of oops, what is the class, what is the object, and what is the characteristics of object, and like this, how so many questions is there. So for that time, join with me and watch my video and subscribe, and please press the bell icon. Thank you.